Hello everybody, and this is a very quick video just to show you this amazing orchid in bloom. Now this is Coelogyne ochraceae, the orange variety, and I bought it recently at the Dublin Orchid Show. I'm sure you've all seen that video. Also, the amazing thing about it is the scent. It's to die for. It completely fills the room. And it's flanked here to the right by Iwanagara apple blossom, which I've had for a year and a half, and this is its second flowering. This also has a pleasant scent, but it's nothing compared to the first one, to the Coelogyne. Down below we have Lycaste Ti Punch, which I've had for about 2 years. The top petal seems to be curling down, perhaps it needs more humidity, but there's a second bud coming, so that's good news. And now over to the sink to have a quick look at Phalaenopsis pallens, which I got from Alberto in Italy. And this spike has an amazing 3 blooms, and this one over here too. That's all really. Hope you liked this video. Check back for lots more. Bye.